Another solution to reducing our reliance on our Portland cement is by designing for adaptability and deconstruction. So this has the goal of getting closer to a renewable loop of materials when we construct a building. So this is all about planning for future reuse of materials installed in the building to make it easier for the next generation to retrieve or reuse the building when we no longer need it. Some of the benefits for designing for deconstruction and adaptability include increased salvage and recycle rates, making it easier to reclaim the materials at the end of life. Also, reducing consumption of the raw materials during the construction period, reducing the waste to the landfill at the end of the building's life, including the lifespan through durable design, and adding value. So the clients have the future options to potentially adapt the building for a different purpose down the track. Some of the negatives include extra material due to the higher live loads you need to specify. For example, if you had a building that was originally an apartment building, but you're planning to potentially use it or change it into an office building, office buildings are higher loads, so that means you have to design the original building for higher loads, for the potential for higher loads down the track. And also extra time will take into designing at the start to make sure it's adaptable in future for the client.